Video I will tell you that how to share a TikTok video or to Facebook. So first of all we will open up TikTok here, and then what we will do is that we will copy this video link. I will tap on this share option and I will copy its link from here. Okay, so if you tap on this share option, you can also see the Facebook option here. Just tap on this one and it will open up Facebook here. Okay, so now as you can see that it will be shared like this as a post on Facebook. Okay, so these are the two ways. Either you can just copy the link and open the Facebook and paste the link here, or either you can just tap on the share option like this one here, and then tap on Facebook here and it will be shared to Facebook automatically. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.